is here.
Yes, tatlong wing na ang pinasok ni Coach Chico. Dalawang guard. Ayan, Hernal, Binoya, Valencia.
Basti Valencia with a quick turn. Still has that aggressiveness. Talking about Basti Valencia, he's been stopped a few times here in the ball game, pero hindi pa rin tumitigil sa mga atake si Basti. And why not? He has 14 points to lead his team. This is the team captain of the Chiefs in season 100. His first trip to the free throw line as well. He misses on the first. Coach, fourth quarter. Tabla tayo. Okay.
You have to cut down on turnovers, number one.
Cut down,
Number two,
yeah.
execution. Right screens, tamang screens.
I think we have to emphasize on cutting down the turnovers.
Yes.
Diba, Coach?
Backs out.
Yeah.
Importante yan. Execute. You have to contest. Send them in their weak spots.
Kasi, Coach, third quarter alone, Arellano committed 8 turnovers. JRU 4. Argente from mid-range. Argente gets the shooter's bounce.
Pwede rin si Argente sa mga perimeter. Kala ko to, 3 points lang eh.
So, Argente, what a game he is having. 14 points already for this guy. Hernal feeding Ongutan all alone inside.
Nawala na ng move si Hernal doon eh.
Yeah.
Oo, inintay na lang nila eh. Yung Ongutan, very versatile. Magaling kumate.
And he likes playing in that painted area, Coach. Barrera underneath.
Ayun naman. Tumalikod naman sa tao si Ongutan doon. Kaya yung pinatouch sa middle. Always jump to the ball. Jump ball side. To prevent those passes.
Right back at you, says Mark Barrera. Mavi Binoya. Inaba. Uy, ganda ng hanap. Hernal underneath. That was Kamay with again the beautiful setup job. It's hard to believe that Kamay only has 2 assists in the game. With all of the good passes he's been making, Coach Jerry.
Oo nga eh. Sometimes it's the pass that leads to an assist.
Yeah.
Minsan yung secondary pass yun eh.
Yeah. Marami siyang ganun dito sa laro natin.
Pero under control sa kanyang game, kay Yuan Kamay. Under control yan. Gusto ko dun sa batang to eh.
Ito yung mid-range shot ni Sean Argente. But how about this? Hernal stopping and then finding the cutting. Dimac Ongutan on the other side. Beautiful bounce pass by Makapanaan. Down the middle goes Barrera. Kamay with a vision to find Hernal underneath. And here he is again, setting the table for the Chiefs. Kamay with a scoop. Forced it too much that time, pero may foul. Balik ang bola sa JRU. Si Hernal ang tatawagan. And Kamay was looking for a foul. It looked like there was contact dun sa right arm, no?
Oo.
Argente draws the foul. And etong non-stop activity on the half court. Etong JRU players. May kumakat.
Yes.
May gumagalaw.
Obviously, hindi rin prepared yung Arellano Chiefs sa weak side defense nila.
Yeah.
Masyado silang they're too close doon sa binabantayan nila. Kaya prone ka sa cut. Pag ganun.
That's right.
Mga cuts, backdoor cuts, alley-oop.
And this might be a fourth quarter game plan, Coach Jerry, nito ni Coach Louie, para bulatin ng kaunti itong Arellano University.
Ginawa kanina ni Ongutan, nakakatsa sa middle, nakashoot. Ginawa din ni JRU sa kanila.
Palitan lang, ano, Coach?
Oo. Mga give and go. Simple plays, give and go. Hindi pa rin talaga obsolete yung mga ganyang klase ng atake.
Oo, yeah. Lalo dito sa college game. Basti Valencia. Attacks, takes this one himself. And he draws to a foul. He was 0 out of 2 in his first trip just a few moments ago. Let's see if he can make his free throws. Ito muna, inatake yung depensa nito ni Pangilinan. And this guy, Basti Valencia, from the previous years, no, kita mo yung pag-angat ng kumpiyansa niya. Papunta dito sa season 100 with the way he is attacking and shooting the ball. And he connects on the first. Valencia now has 15 to lead Arellano.
Laking bagay ito, hindi lang si Ongotan. Meron ka pang Valencia, pwede mo i-isolate, he can post.
Yeah.
Open court, kompletong bata, kompletong player din.
Ito may pecking order na sa opensa ng Arellano as they're unable to get the ball back. Yeah.
Hindi pwedeng tatlo lang ang i-score.
Yeah.
Binoya o Hernal, kailangan talaga 5 at least. 5 or more ang nagko-contribute sa scoring.
Raimundo surveys. He's been silent here in the second half after exploding for 18 in the first 2 quarters. Too strong for Pangilinan. It stays with the Heavy Bombers though with a fresh 14 to work with.
Si Hernal, hindi napapagod. Nakita mo, kahit na
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Ayun.
Raising the tape. Bola pa rin to ng JRU. JL Capulong coming in for Mavi Vinoya.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
This is not the best game for Vinoya. Only 5 points. Oh, T-Mac breaking that one up. But JRU gets it back. Barrera. Raimundo. Wala pa rin. MJ has been firing blanks dito sa ating second half. Diab gets fouled hard by Hernal.
Smart move. Alam niya kung sinabayan niya yun.
Yeah.
Huli siya kay Hernal. Ang ganda dito yung mga triangular passes ng JRU. Drop pass, yan. No? Ayan, no? Alam mo, back in the day, hindi mo pinapasa yan eh. Yung mga kanyang drop pass magkalawin.
Ikaw ba sa sequence na yun, ikaw si Giab?
Ah.
Ititira mo na yan, coach.
Oo, yun lang sa gitna. Ititira mo na yan. Pinifinger roll mo na yan.
Ayan. Okay. Joshua Giab connecting on the first. Coach, MJ Raimundo, 0 out of 5 dito sa second half natin. Nung first half, coach, he was 6 out of 8.
Talagang pinulikat na rin eh. Kanina.
Talaga na...
Tsaka mabigat ang bantay mo, Ongotan.
Yeah.
Oo, baka pinatutukan sa kanya.
So, extra work defensively para kay Raimundo. Capulong, reverse. Hernal! This guy has non-stop energy.
Oo. Talagang taas pa lang, bata.
Kita mo naman, way above the rim that time. And then CJ, or Cyril Hernal, able to draw the foul.
More chances to get the ball eh. If you keep on attacking the basket. Hindi naman yan pwede pumasok ka, kuha mo kagad ang rebound. Hindi. Series of jumps.
And Hernal connects on the first. Coach.
Nakabawi na siya kahit paano. Free throw niya last time, di ba? At least ngayon, crucial yan.
Coach, 6 and 24 remaining. He makes 2. Tabla ulit tayo.
Tabla na naman.
Pero penalty ng Arellano, coach.
Yes.
6 na minuto pa to. Raimundo. Offensive foul on the screen.
Good call yun.
That's gonna be against Sarmiento. Borromeo was fired up after that one because he was the one who ran into Sarmiento. Big sequence for Arellano. Now let's go to Kayla Afable with her fourth quarter report. Kayla, go ahead.
The strongest ones aren't always the ones who win, but the ones who don't give up when they lose. And the Arellano Chiefs are a testament to that, having lost 4 times before clinching their monumental first victory. And with another win just around the corner, the Chiefs will be working double time to make that possibility a reality. Ayon nga kay Coach Chico, hindi pa tayo dapat tumigil. With how early we are into the season, anything can still happen. Dagdag pa niya na kailangan namin manalo dito para mawala yung stigma na nasa bottom kami. Ang huling payo ni Coach, basta mag-execute tayo, atin to. That's all from courtside. Back to you, Martin and Coach Jerry.
Thank you, Kayla. And as you report that, Arellano retakes the lead 72-70. And speaking of working hard and working overtime for the Chiefs, gumagana on both ends itong si Borromeo, Coach. He was the one who forced the offensive foul earlier and got the basket down the middle.
Itong Borromeo, every time pasok mo yan, may nangyayari.
Yeah.
Sigurado, positive things ang lagi nabibigay niya para sa team. Yan din yan eh. Nag-rally sila last time. Kinapos lang talaga sa free throw. Hindi nila na-convert pero makita ko yung effort niya.
Nandun talaga, no?
Very deceptive.
2 out of 2 for Giab. Tabla ulit tayo. 72 all.
Medyo malabo yung pasa ni Borromeo na yon. Sona.
Yeah. Hindi nakaset up na maayos ang Arellano. We'll see how JRU responds. Malayo pa to. 5:41 to go. Still a lot of basketball to be played. Again, in this game, wala masyadong lumalayo, Coach. Ang pinakamalaking lamang, 6 para sa Arellano, 5 para sa JRU. Raimundo scans the floor. Gee up for 3. Doesn't get it. Hernal pulls it down.
Dino-draw out nila si Capolong doon eh. Wala namang problema. Nandiyan si Hernal for the rebounding.
Borromeo. Hernal. Jeronimo. Back to Hernal. Taken away by Raimundo. And we're off and running. Barrera. Ooh, chased down by Hernal. But Diab puts it back in. Plus the foul. How about this? Take away by Raimundo. Passing it to Barrera. Hernal did not give up. Oh, that was very close. But they ruled it as a block. Diab, though, cleaning it up.
Bolang-bola. Malinis.
Ito si Joshua Giab at the free throw line. Crucial free throw right here. Makes it. And they're ahead by 3. And when you're playing a close game like this, Coach Jerry, yung 3-point lead na to, ginto to, no?
Yes. Oo. Ano lang yan eh. They're playing zone. You have to attack the zone.
Yeah.
With series of passes, movements. You have to attack the gap. Kasi kundi, naka-steady lang yung JRU eh.
Kapulong has it.
Yan,
Kapulong is doubled.
Dino-double na siya ngayon.
Valencia from the baseline, left it short. Okay, jump ball.
Possession for the JRU Heavy Bombers.
JRU will have it. Ito, yung kalaw ni Basti Valencia just misfired at the baseline. JRU will set things up. Argente. Got it! What a shot for Sean!
Malayo pa yan.
And JRU ties their biggest lead of the game at 5, 77-72. Timeout, Coach Chico.
kanina, tinatry talaga niya. Tinatry niyang buhatin yung team. Pero ngayon pa lang siya nakakakuha ng break.
Tagle missing. Guadagna. Oh, fakes the three! Mac Guadagna! And the LPU fans are coming alive as the Pirates are making a run.
Balik sa ating laban. Big time Sean. How about this move? Floats it up with a defense all over him that time. 17 points now for Sean Argente. And more importantly, that gives JRU a more comfortable cushion, Coach Jerry.
Yes, ito na yung separation after a long while. 5 points, pero sa Arellano, kaya nila yan. Striking distance yan. Isang tres, dikit na naman yan. Kaya dito, hanapin natin yung depensa ng JRU paano nila masusustain.
Maalala natin, second quarter was a game of runs. Is that gonna be the case here? Does Arellano have another run here? A lot of time on the clock, 4 minutes and 17 remaining. We'll find out in a bit. Ball rotation for the Chiefs. They turn it over. Nababasa na yung entry passes para kay Kapulong. Barrera! No. Ball is tapped outside. It ends up with Sean Argente for 3. Kaboom! And it's the biggest lead for JRU. Hongotan couldn't answer. Eight to nothing run for the JRU Heavy Bombers. And this guy has been the catalyst of this attack. Oh, that's a dribbling violation on Sean. How about this? The steal, stepping into a 3. Talk about confidence, Coach.
Oo. Pag si Argente, nandyan.
Sean has 20 points in the game. Second straight game that he has reached the 20-point plateau.
Unstoppable talaga si Argente.
Ito, dry spell again for Arellano in the last 3 minutes. 0 field goals. They gotta break it somehow. Kapulong, nilalapit. JL napakagad si Panapanaan. And 2 free throws coming up here for Kapulong.
Medyo nawawala si Cabiera dito.
Ito, Coach. Yeah, that's a veteran outsmarting the rookie. And Ivan Panapanaan. So 2 crucial free throws para kay JL Kapulong, who has gone 50% today from the free throw line. Just 3 out of 6. He knocks down the first.
Ang question dito, how can you stop Argente?
Yeah.
Yeah. With the way he plays, maganda magpasa sa laro. If he wants the ball, hinihingi niya. He asks for a ball screen. Pati perimeter game niya, solid.
Yeah. 2 crucial free throws by JL Kapulong. Almost a steal. But the ball went outside, so bola pa rin ng JRU. 3:03 left. Raimundo ang nagtawid. Sean has it. Giab against 2. Raimundo. Got it!
Ngayon lang tumawa.
Yeah.
Oo.
First field goal for MJ Raimundo in the second half.
Second half.
Vinoya uncorks and misses. Hongotan gets it. Hongotan, wala. Isa pa para kay Tima. Teka lang. You have a foul first. How about MJ Raimundo breaking his long silence in this game, walking down this Miri.
Yung maturity ni Giab. Pinigay niya sa loob, nagsag. Extra pass niya kay Raimundo. Ayun, ang ganda.
And Joshua Giab will be put in the pressure cooker. But no problem for Giab. He's been steady at the free throw line.
Undersized big man. 6'1".
Yeah.
6'1", 6'2". No?
Pero maganda yung shooting. Ito ni Joshua Giab. Especially at the line. 2 out of 2. That re-establishes the biggest lead for JRU. All of a sudden, it's a 10-point advantage. Ernj. Hongotan. Misfires. Ball staying with Arellano. Coach, nauubusan na ang oras itong kupunan ni Coach Chico Manabat.
Malayo pa to. Oras kung titignan mo, 10 points. 1 basket at a time. 1 stop at a time. Abutan pa nila yan.
Binoya couldn't hit the banker. We now enter deep water territory in this game, the final 2 minutes.
13 seconds on the shot clock. Mark Barrera.
Let's check this one out, Coach.
Heavy Bombers.
Sundot mula sa likod ni
13 seconds.
Joshua Giab.
Si Giab, nagawa niya kay JL Kapulong yung kanina. Naka-steal siya sa likod.
Sa likod, ano?
Oo.
Posisyonan itong si Panapanaan at si Kapulong. T-Mac attacks, forces the issue and the foul. 2 free throws para kay Tima Hongotan.
Now the number 5, Joshua Giab. In second. New free throws for Gerard Hongotan.
And Tima Hongotan will be rewarded with 2 free throws. Parang naubusan dito ng gas sa Arellano, Coach Jerry.
Oh. Unti-unti, nauubos. Unti-unti.
But we'll see. 1 minute and 51 left. Two for 2 para kay Hongotan. Mark Barrera is the trigger guy.
Yun ang mahirap eh. Yung sitwasyon ni Coach Chico na yung pang half court offense niya, hindi pang full court pressure. So may mga tatlo siyang malaki. I don't know if it will be as effective as yung kaninang in-start niya.
Tama ka, Coach. But they get a stop. And here comes Arellano. Ernj, wala. A lot of contact, but our officials just letting it go. Let's check this one out. Mosqueda got swarmed. T-Mac with the outlet. Ito yung tira ni Geronimo. Raimundo playing on his D up top. Binoya gets the whistle though. 2 takes for Mavi Binoya. He connects on the first in the season. Maverick Binoya is just a 42% free throw shooter.
Very promising tong bata na to.
Yeah.
Binoya.
One more coming up to make it a 6-point game.
He
gets the roll. 2 out of 2 for Maverick Binoya. The leading scorer of Arellano in season 100 at 13.6 points per game. Pero medyo napigilan siya dito. 6-point game, Coach. A minute and 26 left.
Yes. Pwede pa yan. Kahit overtime.
Tignan natin. Raimundo handles. Barrera sends it out. Panapanaan. Tapos, it sticks with JRU though, with 4 to shoot. And Coach Louie wants to draw something up. He doesn't want to waste these 4 seconds. Timeout muna tayo.
We will have a review.
Huwag kayong matakot tumanggap ng bola at trabahuhin natin ang biyaya. Yan muna mula sa panig ng Arellano Chiefs, Martin and Ben.
Maraming salamat, Laisel Galpo.
Yun na nga.
Katulad nung second quarter
Yun
natin.
na nga eh.
So let's see. Dapat dito umatake ang Arellano. Oh, Basti Valencia. Balik sa ating laban with 66 seconds left in the ball game. It's a 2-possession game with Arellano going on a mini run here, Coach Jerry. Kasi kanina, 74 to 84. 4 unanswered by the Chiefs. Ito yung tira kanina ni Panapanaan. All of very close. Pwedeng tumama kay Ungotan kasi siya yung talagang magtatap ng bola.
Upon review of the last out-of-bounds play, ball possession for the JRU Heavy
So
Bombers.
JRU will have it, Coach. Last touch on
Timeout,
Ungotan.
JRU Heavy Bombers.
Hold on.
Pero since it's penalty, I'm sure they will score on this baseline inbound. Sigurado, they will go inside.
Timeout,
Coach,
JRU Heavy Bombers.
this is interesting. This is another timeout for JRU. So back-to-back timeouts burned by the Heavy Bombers. I don't think this one was intentional. Sabi nila, hindi kami tumimeout ulit. O sige, pero yun na itinawag ng ating official.
Ginamit na nila.
Ginamit na. Sige, magbabalik tayo.
Aguimeñi from the corner. Nope. Inot. Bide. Topnata for the finish.
Forcing another turnover and a transition layup. Highlight yun, hindi na binaba. Dampot, angat agad.
And another takeaway. Inot. Boom!
Balik sa ating laban. Coach, interesting situation we have. A minute and 6 left.
4 seconds.
Both teams in the penalty. Ikaw, mas gusto mo ilagay sa loob to ng JRU?
Sa akin dyan, penalty. So I'll maximize kung anong pwede kong magawa sa team.
Tingnan natin. Oh, Giab from the corner.
Ayan.
Kaboom! Joshua Giab with a potential dagger.
Masyado masakit yun.
Oh, wow! Ungotan nowhere to go. And that's a foul on Hernal. I don't think anybody expected that play from JRU. Giab just waiting, left with space. And he nails the corner triple.
Napakatahimik lang dito ni Gia. First 3 quarters, halos nga hindi tumitira eh. Pero yung pinaka-importante, diniliver niya para sa koponan ni Coach Louie.
Coach, hindi ko alam kung makaklasify mo yun na knockout play, ano?
Hinahanap talaga nila eh.
Hinahanap talaga nila of the inbound. Great execution after the timeout para dito.
Yeah, sumusubok na siya kanina.
Sa JRU.
Hindi lang tumatama, hindi lang bumabaon.
But that was a great play drawn up by Coach Louie and the rest of his staff.
Kaya pala humingi ng double timeout.
Double timeout.
Oo, yung pala yun.
Para talagang deliberate ang pag-explain dun sa execution na yun.
I was expecting penalty. They'll go inside.
Yeah. Giab connects on both. Vinoya
Oy!
knocks down the triple. 8-point game. 46 seconds left. Argente. Play is broken up. Ongotan. Crowded. T-Mac. Ow! Once again, Ongotan scores. It's a 6-point game again, Coach. Arellano with some defensive stops. Pana-Panaan gets fouled.
Hindi pa tapos.
Here's the triple by Mavi Binoya and then the steal by Hernal. T-Mac against 3 defenders. Did not work. Got it back. Sinipagan lang ni T-Mac Ongotan to make it a 6-point game. But
Two free throws for Ivan Pana-Panaan.
Pana-Panaan will be tested at the line. Ooh! Missing on the first. Before this, Coach, he was 50%. 8 out of 16 coming into this game. Rattles in the second. Ongotan scores! Coach, it's a 5-point game.
Pwede pa yan. Lots of time. One stop,
JRU,
one good
heavy
offense,
bomber.
one good defense.
Hindi pa tayo tapos dito. Let's go to this quick break. Afterwards, final moments of the fourth. Mapua.
Simula kanina, tinatry talaga niya. Tinatry niyang buhatin yung team. Pero ngayon pa lang siya nakakakuha ng break.
Tagle missing. Guadagna. Oh, fakes the three! Mac Guadagna! And the LPU fans are...
We're back to the coverage. Arellano is starting to come alive here in the fourth quarter inside the final minute. T-Mac Ongotan is not giving up, Coach. Sabi niya, teka lang, unti-untiin natin to.
Yes, hindi katulad kanina. Yung start ng fourth quarter, nung nagkaroon ng run ng JRU, pinipilit nilang one pass tira, but this time, sinatsaga nila. Through defense, nakakapag-turnover sila yung kalaban. Ayun, it resulted into baskets.
Kaya nabuhayan din ang crowd dito ng Arellano University. We'll see though if they can get it done again defensively. The one who got the steal earlier, Cyril Hernal, is guarding the inbounder, Ivan Pana-Panaan. Pana-Panaan gets it to Giab. It's the big guy getting hounded. Wow! They called the foul. And this is big, Coach. Dahil penalty na ang Arellano. And Giab hasn't missed from the line dito sa fourth quarter natin.
Talaga siya ang recipient ng bola.
Yeah.
Dahil pag pinaul, ay mas steady siya sa free throw. Parang mali sila ng pinaul doon.
And Joshua Giab, 14 points in the fourth quarter alone.
Nako, tama nga.
Ako yun. Yeah. Na-jinx ko ba yan, Coach? But he has one more coming up. 17 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists. Again, 14 in the fourth. 1 out of 2. But still, Coach, a 2-possession game. Coach Chico will draw up a quick execution. 20 and a half seconds remaining.
from the corner. Nope. Inot. Biding. Top meta for the finish.
Forcing another turnover and a transition layup. Highlight yun, hindi na binaba. Dampot, angat agad.
Balik sa ating laban. Second game today. Big matchup between Letran and EAC. Letran coming off a huge win over the Benil Blazers last time out. EAC coming off a loss on the other hand. So, magkaiba ng panggagalingan. Parehong naglalaban para sa Final Four dito sa Season 100. That should be a good matchup between Letran and EAC. But it comes after this exciting game between JRU and Arellano. Hindi pa tayo tapos. We still have 20 seconds to go. And with the way things are going, mukhang matatagalan pa tayo dahil depende yan kung makakapuntos ang Arellano dito sa susunod na sequence natin.
Yes, importante yun. Makakonvert sila. And they have to make stops.
Yeah. They need a quick conversion at that. 14 to work with, or 14 seconds to work with. T-Mac has been their man. Ongotan with a quick 2. So a 4-point game. Now they need a steal. Talking about the Chiefs. And they pressure Sean. Argente gets trapped. They'll review this. They can review this. This is going to be big. T-Mac, high point man for Arellano today, provides the goods again. 20 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists, and 4 steals for T-Mac Ongotan. What a game. Only our first offering on a Wednesday. And a crucial call coming up.
Ito yung break na inaantay nila. Baka last touch yung JRU dito eh.
Ito, ganda ng trap, ganda ng press kay Argente dito, coach. Lost it. Oh! Close call. And this is crew chief Kenny Regino checking on it. We'll see what the final verdict will be. 13.1 seconds left. So kanina sa possession ng Arellano, ang naubos a little over 7 seconds. Wow! Arellano gets it back. It's Arellano basketball. They successfully forced the turnover.
Laking break nito for them.
Yeah.
Sa Arellano.
Here we go. Ernj as the trigger man. Valencia. No! Hernal gets it. It's a 2-point game! Ernj Geronimo! 7.4 seconds left. Argente scans the floor. Sean gets it to Raimundo. And T-Mac fouls MJ Raimundo. But how about the Chiefs? Valencia took the quick shot. Hernal came up with it and found his buddy Ernj Geronimo to cut the lead down to 2. So now, Raimundo,
6 of 6 sa free throws.
yeah, will be put in the pressure cooker. Ikaw nagsabi niyan, coach.
Ewan ko lang kung pagod pa ba siya or matibay talaga ito sa pressure game.
2 makes will put them in a better position. Hindi na ako yun. Si coach na yun. And now, coach, pagbalik sa Arellano, we are guaranteed just a 1-possession game. Raimundo with his second one. One out of two. 3-point game. It's going to be a full court inbound for the Chiefs. 6.7 seconds to operate. Here comes Arellano. Geronimo. Abiera. Oh no! And JRU survives.
Good shot. Talagang hindi lang pumasok.
It's the end of the ball game.
JRU will escape with the win.
89-40 Arellano Chiefs.
They fend off a late Arellano rally to take their second win of the season. What a game, Coach Jerry.
Grabe, talagang wala na tayong masabi dito sa dalawang teams na to. Binigay nila lahat. Nakita na, yun lang, talaga sa endgame lang talaga nagkaiba. Yung when JRU made that run, hindi na nasabayan ng Arellano Chiefs. So, medyo nagkano sila ron, nawala sila sa flow ng opensa.
Yeah.
Tapos nag-suffer na rin yung depensa nila because predicated yung laro ng Arellano sa ganda ng opensa nila eh.
Yeah.
Nung pumangit, medyo nag-iba sila.
That's right. Okay. 92-89. That is the final score. Let's go to the school hymn of the winning team first. Jose Rizal University.